So students, in today's lecture we will discuss about a numerical problem. Actually in last two videos we have discussed about calculation of error in case of combination, means if there is a combination of two quantities, then what will be the net result, what will be the net error in that particular case. So here we take a simple example to understand all the things. For example, a rectangle is given. A rectangle is given and length is 20 plus minus 0.04 meter and 10 plus minus 0.01 meter. So you have to calculate the maximum error in case of perimeter. Again, I have already discussed this thing. Minimum error, we never count minimum error. We never calculate minimum error because minimum error means no error. When we read 10 as 10, when we read 20 as 20, that means we are making no error. So calculation for minimum error doesn't mean, this is absurd thing said that somebody is calculating for minimum error. Minimum error means कोई error नहीं है, कोई भी error नहीं है. जब हम 10 को 10 पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम minimum error कर रहे हैं. हम 10 को 9 पढ़ रहे हैं तो भी हम उतनी ही error कर रहे हैं जितना हम 10 को 11 पढ़ने में कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. If we are reading 10 as 11, if we are reading 10 as 9, ठीक है, then we are making same amount of error. So in perimeter, what is the formula of perimeter and in area? In case of perimeter, this is problem of sum, addition. So this is L plus L plus B plus B. Formula of perimeter is, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Twice of length plus width. So L plus L plus B plus B. In case of error, if some person is making some error in measuring length as well as breadth, then in case of addition, what we have discussed, that delta x equal to delta A plus minus delta B, or rather than plus minus, this is delta A plus delta B. So in the same way here, this is what, this is delta P, means change in error. What is the delta P? Delta L plus delta L plus delta B plus delta B. That's mean 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. This become 1 meter, means the maximum permissible error of maximum error in calculating perimeter is 1 meter. Why it is 1 meter? Because here the error is given in absolute, in the form of absolute error. So in case of addition and subtraction, we add absolute error. Now in second case, area. Length equal to, so formula of area equal to L multiplied by B. And in case of product, what we have discussed, that delta x upon x equal to delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. This is maximum error. Or you can say that this is in the form of relative error. This is in the form of relative error. यहाँ पर क्या ऐड किया था? Absolute error. यहाँ पर हम क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? Relative error और percentage error. So question is given in the form of absolute error. L equal to 20 plus minus 0.4 meter. If we write this thing in the form of percent, it become 20 plus minus 20 plus minus 2%. 20 plus minus 2%. 2% of 20 is 0.4. 2% of 20. 20 into 2 upon 100, that is 0.4. So it may be written as this 20 plus minus. In the same way, L equal to 10 plus minus 0.1 meter means 10 plus minus 1%. 10 plus minus 20 plus minus 2%, 10 plus minus 1%. Now, percentage error in A equal to percentage error in length plus percentage error, or you can say percentage delta L upon L plus percent delta B upon B. This is what? This is 2% plus 1%. So the change or error in 3%. So this is what? This is 3% error in case of area. Now what is area? Area equal to 20 into 10, that is 200 meter square. So you can write it area equal to 200 plus minus 3% meter square, or 200 plus minus 6 meter square. Again question, one more thing. Question is given in the form of absolute error. So you have to write it in the form of absolute error. And absolute error, what is this is relative error or percentage error. So you can write it 200 plus minus 6 meter square, because this is in percentage. 3% of 200, that is 6 meter square. So this is difference between addition and multiplication. That's what I have given this example to explain the